Hey guys, good evening everyone. Good evening everyone. One second, let me unmute everybody. Yeah, I have unmuted everyone. Hope I'm
Uh,
audible.
yes, sir.
All right, superb guys, wonderful. So, welcome back to class, and let's continue from where we had stopped last class. Okay. So, just a quick recap of what we did last class. Yes, what we did, sir? Can you tell me? So, two important things we understood. One is what is platform dependent, correct sir? And the next thing we understood, what is platform independent. I think you people got the clarity here. What is platform dependent, what is platform independent, how the compilation and execution happens in C, and how the compilation execution happens in Java. You people got the clarity now? Yes, so no doubts here, sir. You understood what is bytecode file, you understood you know uh, uh, who is that interface which is present between the Java program and the processor. That is nothing but our JVM, correct sir? Next, very important thing we understood about the bytecode file, which is a platform independent file. So platform independent is also known as, what is another name for platform independent, sir? Yes, you remember? Wara. Remember this, sir? Wara. Write once, run anywhere. It is another name for what, sir? Platform independent. Some people call platform independent. Some people call Wara. Write once, run anywhere. It is a Wara principle. Fine, sir? Okay. Now, can you please answer now the definition of Java? I'll give you, sir. Can you please tell me what is Java? Tell me, sir, what is Java? Yes, it is a high level. See the definitions are high level, comma, platform, independent. It is a high level platform independent, object oriented programming language. This is the definition you're supposed to tell when they ask what is Java. Yes, sir? Can you please define, sir, what is Java? It is a high level platform independent object oriented programming language. Did you understand, sir? Yes. Okay. Next, what is bytecode file? I think I had already defined, sir. Let me define it once again. What is bytecode file? Yes, you already defined it. It is an intermediate. It is an intermediate platform independent. It's an intermediate platform independent file generated by the compiler. Who generates this? Please tell me. Who generates this? Compiler. When, sir? After successful compilation. After successful what, sir? Compilation. Clear, guys? Done? Super. Perfect. Now, you guys understood what is the bytecode file, and to compile a Java file, which file we will give it as input, source file, and we will get the bytecode file, and that bytecode file we will give it to the JVM for execution. This is the flow, correct, sir? Okay, now one person will come and ask me, sir, first thing I want the Java C, which is nothing but the compiler, and then we want the JVM, and then we want the JRE. These three software. Now, what Java people did is they took all these three software, and they encapsulated, they kept in under one particular kit. This is called as kit. So this is the place which contains Java C. This is my Java C. This is what's our Java C. It is used for compilation, and then we have something like here. Let me write. This is like this is my JRE, so Java runtime environment, and and this is my JVM, which is responsible for executing Java program. So this kit is what we call as JDK. What is this kit called, sir? JDK, which is nothing but Java Development, yes, Kit. What is this kit called, sir? Java Development Kit. Did you understand, sir? So once you install the JDK, like whatever JDK you have installed, right? Once you install the JDK, your Java compiler also comes, JRE will also come, JVM also comes. All these three things will come inside JDK. So you don't need to install Java compiler separately, JVM separately, JRE separately. No, sir. All these three things are embedded. All these three things are encapsulated inside one kit. That kit is what we call as Java Development Kit. Is it clear, sir? So this is the Java Development Kit that all of us will install, all of us require in order to practice the Java program. Clear, guys? Done? Super. Okay, here. Now, let me ask you some questions. Question number 1. Is bytecode file, or let me answer true, false. Bytecode file. Bytecode file is platform independent. True or false? Please tell me true or false. Bytecode file is platform independent. True or
sir.
false? True, right?
True.
Correct? No? Bytecode file is platform independent. 100% correct. True. One second. Let me pull this question this side, because some of you people might be messaging something. I'll miss it out. Okay. Okay. So answer for this is 100% true. I'll write it as true. Correct, sir? Okay. Next question. So, Java is platform independent. True or false? Java is platform independent. True, right? Yes. This is also true. Java is platform independent. 100% right. Fine. Okay. Next question. Observe very carefully. So, next question. JDK is platform independent. True or false? JDK is platform independent. True or false? Bytecode file platform independent. True. Java is platform independent. 100% true. What about JDK, sir? First of all, can you tell me what is JDK? What is Java? What is a JDK? What is a Java? Remember, Java is a programming language. What is it, sir? Java is a programming language. JDK is a software. JDK is not a programming language, sir. JDK is a software required to learn the Java programming language. It is exactly like what is C, what is Turbo C. Are you understanding? What is C? What is Turbo C? Sir, C is a programming language. Then, sir, what is Turbo C? Turbo C is not a programming language. Turbo C is a software used to compile and execute the C program. Correct, no? So Turbo C is a software required to learn C program. Similarly, Java is a programming language. JDK is not a programming language. JDK is a software required to learn the Java program. But now here I am asking the question, Java is platform independent, 100% true. What about JDK, sir? Is JDK platform independent? Remember, answer is false. Answer is what, sir? False. No. JDK platform independent, false. No. JDK is platform, sir, platform dependent. JDK is what, sir? Platform dependent. It is not independent. Sir, how do you say so? How do you say? Can you just prove me, sir? Can you just show me, sir? Okay. Now, anybody has downloaded the JDK from internet? Any one of you? I had shared the software with you guys, right? Can you just prove me, sir? Can you just show me, sir? Can you just prove me, sir? Can you just show me, sir? Can you just prove me, sir? Can you just show me, sir? Can you just prove me, sir? Can you just show me, sir? Can you just prove me, sir? Can you just show me, sir? Can you just prove me, sir? Can you just show me, sir? Can you just prove me, sir? Can you just show me, sir? Can you just prove me, sir? Can you just show me, sir? Can you just prove me, sir? Can you just show me, sir? Can you just prove me, sir? Can you just show me, sir? Can you just prove me, sir? Can you just show me, sir? Can you just prove me, sir? Can you just show me, sir? Can you just prove me, sir? Can you just show me, sir? Can you just prove me, sir? Can you just show me, sir? Can you just prove me, sir? Can you just show me, sir? Can you just prove me, sir? Can you just show me, sir? Can you just prove me, sir? Can So instead of copying from there, anybody downloaded the JDK from the internet? Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Now let's have a look. Let's have a look at this. How to download? Very simple. I am going to write JDK. Which version of the JDK we are going to study, sir? 1.8. I am going to just type download. You lot of links. Just click on the click on the first one. Can you see this? Java SC stands for Standard Edition. Just right click this. Right click. Just observe these things. Okay. When you download the JDK from the internet, this is what you're going to see. Okay. Now, just to scroll down. Just to scroll down. So, can you please look at this once carefully? I want everybody to look at this very carefully. You have Linux ARM32 JDK is this. Sir, if you have Linux 32-bit JDK you have to install. Linux 64-bit, this is, sir, if you have Mac, this is the JDK you're supposed to install. Sir, I have Linux 64-bit compressed archive, then this is the JDK you're supposed to install. Sir, I have Solaris, then this is the. Sir, where is our Windows? Calm down. Calm down. Yeah. Sir, I have Windows operating system with me. Windows 32-bit, install this JDK. Windows 64-bit, install this JDK. Okay, now tell me, sir, do you have different JDK for different OS? For Windows 32-bit, this. For Windows 64-bit, this is. For Mac, this. For Linux, Solaris, this. Do you have separate JDK for separate OS? So when we have separate JDK for OS, don't you think it is independent? Don't you think it is dependent, sir? If at all it is independent, then Java one JDK to take this JDK, you in your operating system you want. You can install in Windows, install in Mac, you can install in Linux, you can install in Solaris, you can install in any operating system you want, sir. That is what they are telling. This is what they are telling, sir. They are telling boss for Windows separate JDK is there. For Linux, separate JDK is there. For 32-bit, separate JDK is there. For separate, Solaris, separate JDK is there. So when you have different JDK for a different platform, is it dependent or independent? Common sense question. Is it dependent or independent? It is dependent. Windows JDK I cannot install in Solaris. Solaris JDK I cannot install in Linux. Linux JDK I cannot install in Mac. Mac JDK I cannot install in Windows. You have to install the respective platform JDK because JDK is platform dependent. I hope it is clear. Many people understand the difference between Java and JDK. First thing, Java is a programming language. JDK is not a programming language. JDK is a software which is used to learn the Java program, which is used to work the Java program. Fine, sir? That JDK software is platform dependent, but is platform independent. Got the clarity, guys, now? Everybody got the clarity? What is platform independent? Who is platform independent? Java is platform independent. Bytecode file is platform independent, but JDK is not platform independent. Hope it is completely clear. Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Super.
Yes, sir.
Wonderful.
Yes,
Wonderful. Wonderful. That's all. That's all, guys. Java, JDK. Bytecode file is also known as executable file, also known as class file, also known as intermediate file. There are 4 names for the bytecode file: intermediate file, bytecode file, class file, executable file. but most commonly used name is we call executable file, or sometimes we call bytecode file. Okay, guys? Done. Super. So the next important thing that we have to learn is what is the structure of a program. Let us learn the structure CTU or structure of Java program. Can you please tell me what is the structure of C program first? Remember by any chance? What is the structure of C program? So, whenever you write a C program, first we used to write all header files. Remember, hash include. Then we used hash define max 10, hash define pro5, hash define. What is that called as? That called as macros. What is that called as? Macros. Then we used to write global variables. Remember, we used to have what's a global variable. Then we used to write void main. Then we used to write clear screen, printf, scanf. At the end, we used to write get lost. That get ch, not get lost. What is that, sir? At the end, we used to write what's a ch. So most of you people, you guys have seen the first first C program of your life in your first semester or in the second semester. If you're a CBSE student, if you're an ICSE student, you would have seen in the college, school days, correct? But most of us are from the state syllabus, I believe, and most of you people, you have seen your first C programming language in the first semester lab or in the second semester engineering lab. And when you saw the first C programming language of your life, what was your reaction? Can you please tell me, sir? What was your reaction? This is the first C program I am seeing, sir. What was your reaction? Your reaction is full of Tare Zameen Par. Correct, no? Your reaction full what, sir? Yes? Don't know anything what is happening here. Yes? Hash include, printf, scanf, clear screen, get ch. What is this, sir? I am not at all understanding anything. And your C programming lab, also the subject you have studied by hatting only. I know that. You have studied first semester C programming language entirely by hatting.
Yes, sir.
Correct or not, sir? Because you're not understanding anything. This is what happens when you try to learn something new. Sir, it is not just with C, sir. Whenever you start learning anything new, first day, second day, third day, you will find it little, annoying. You will find little, what is happening here kind of feeling. Correct, no? But when you start associating yourself slowly, then you will understand, oh, this means this. This is the reason I'm writing. This is the reason I'm adding here. This is the reason I'm removing here. All these things you will understand later. Include stdio.h, you have understood why you are writing in the half of your semester. And many people even now also don't know why you are writing. But printf, you understood why you are writing maybe towards the end of the first semester or in the middle of the first semester. Correct, no? First, you will not learn anything in the beginning itself, sir. Same feeling happens whenever you learn anything new. It's a human psychology, sir. Fine. So whenever you are learning something new, you will not understand in the first attempt itself. When you keep associating yourself with that more and more, then you will start getting something. Fine, sir. Now, here we are not going to discuss about the C programming structure. We are going to discuss about the Java program structure. And Java programming structure is much simpler than C programming structure. Fine. How it looks like, so I will give you the structure. And as I told already, you will not understand everything now, whatever I am writing, but just see the structure. You will get some very easy to remember. Slowly, when we start understanding Java later point of time, you will get the things properly and clearly. Fine, sir? Done. Sir, how to write the Java program, sir? How the Java program structure looks like? In Java, we will write every program starts with a keyword called class. Class is a keyword. Followed by that, we will give class name. Then we will open and we will close it. Can you tell me, sir, what is that we write? We write class followed by class name. Class followed by class name. Now, this class followed by class name, whatever I have written, this is called class declaration. Can you tell me, sir, what is this called? Please repeat. What is this called, sir? This is called class declaration.
Class declaration.
class declaration, correct? And from here, open brace, from brace till this close brace, whatever you are writing, we call this as class definition. What is this called, sir? This is what we called as class definition or class body. Both are same. Definition or class body. Perfect, sir? Done. Now, inside this class, we write something like this. What is that, sir? We write something like public. We write something like static. We write something like void. We write something like main. And then we write something like string array argument. Sorry, sir, what is it and all? As I told, you will not understand now. You will understand slowly. Here we will write the instructions. Is it clear, sir? Yes. So this line, public static void main, this line we called as, sir, what is this line called?
Main function, sir.
This line we called as method declaration. What is this line called, sir? Method declaration. And from this open brace till this close brace, from this open brace till this close brace, we call this as method definition. Please tell me, sir, what is it called? Method definition or method body. Method definition or method body. And whatever you are writing here, no, this is what we call instruction. What is it called, sir? Instructions in high level language, because Java is a high level language. Did you understand the structure, sir? Yes, sir. What is public here? Public is called access modifier. Static is called modifier. Void is the return type. Main is the name of a method. All these things we will understand slowly, sir. But is it easy, sir? Class followed by class name. Please mute, sir. Somebody has not muted. Please mute. Kindly mute it, sir. Somebody has not yet. All right, thank you. So class followed by class name, then we will open and close the brace, then we will write public static void main string array arguments, then again we will open and close the brace. One is the class declaration and the class definition, other one is the method declaration and the method definition. Clear? Yes. Sir, this is what we write inside the source file. This is my source file, so I'll write it here, or let me write it here. This is my source file, and this source file is a Java source file, and this Java source file will have the extension .java. What is the extension of Java source file, sir? .java is the extension. Now tell me, sir, what will be the name of the file? Remember, .java is not a name. .java is an extension. What will be the name? Any guess? What name for this class?
Class name, sir. Class name.
Okay. Should it be class name always?
Class name.
Should
Yes,
it be
sir.
class name always? Suppose
Yes,
class
sir.
name
No,
is,
sir. No, sir.
it should be test.java. Suppose class name is demo, it should be demo.java. Suppose class name is program one, it should be program1.java. Anything, any rule, sir? It should be class name?
No,
There
sir.
is no such rule. There is no such rule. This is one misconception that everybody will have. Name of the file should be same as name of the class. No. But in our all days, we have practiced name of class, name of the file, same. This is what we have practiced. Fine, sir. But why we practice same, that also we will understand very soon. Fine, sir. But for your information, you can give any name to the class. You can give any name, sir. If class name is test, you can give the file name as program1. If the class name is demo, you can give the file name as test. Anything. If you want, you can give same. If you want, you can give different. There is no rule that it should be same. Is it clear? So this file is called as source file. What do you call this, sir? What do you call this, sir? Source file. Is it clear? Did you understand? Yes. This source file, who will write? This source file is written by programmer, written by developer, written by the coder. Fine, sir? Okay, now I want to execute this. Sir, if I want to execute, what should I do? If I want to execute, I have to give this entire file to compiler. Correct? No, I should call the compiler. Now I should tell the compiler, hey compiler, please take this file and execute. I should compiler, right? Yes. Now, how will you call the compiler? How will you call the compiler? So to call the compiler, we use the command. What is the command? Java. What is the command we use, sir? Java C, followed by, I should give a file name. Which file name? What is the name of the file? Any name. Name itself is any_name.java. Java C, any_name.java. Sir, when you give Java C any_name.java, it will take this entire source file. It will check all the rules and syntaxes. If everything is correct, if everything is according to the syntax, then it will generate one more file. Then it will generate what, sir? One more file. Can you tell me what is that file called? Can you tell me what is that one file called, sir? We understood in the last class. What is that file called? Bytecode file, class file. Correct, sir? Okay, that file is nothing but this. Let me write this up. Here is the file. Let me write with this. And this file will have the extension as, what is the extension of this file? This file will have the extension as .class. .class, the extension. You can call it as executable file, bytecode file, intermediate file, class file. Now, can you please tell me what will be the name? Can you please tell me what will be the name, sir?
Any name dot class.
Any name dot class.
Name.
Why are you telling any dot class? Because the no name of the source file is any name, right? Correct?
Yes, sir.
See, this is what you guys have learned in college, sir. This is what you have learned. Remember,
Yes, sir.
name of the bytecode file. It is a wrong answer. It is a wrong answer. Name of the bytecode file and the name of the source file has no relationship at all. Name of this bytecode file and name of the source file have no relationship at all. Remember, name of the bytecode file will be always same as name of the class. It will be always same as what, sir? Name of the class. Whatever class name is there, with the same name you will get your file. If the class name is test, name of the bytecode file will be test.class. If the class name is demo, name of the bytecode file will be demo.class. If the class name is student, name of the bytecode file will be student.class. So in general, name of the bytecode file will be same as name of the class, not name of the source file. Did you understand? Everybody? Yes. Perfect.
Yes, sir.
This file, I want to give it to JVM. Here is my JVM. Here is my JVM, sir. I want to give this bytecode file to JVM for execute. Of course, after JVM, we have processor there. Correct, sir? So this is my JVM. Now, I want to give entire file to JVM. I want this entire file to JVM. Now tell me, sir, how do you call JVM, sir? How did we call the compiler here? Java C. Now, how do you call JVM? You will call JVM by using the command Java. What is the command you will write, sir? Java, followed by this. What file we have to give for JVM execution, sir? Is it source file or bytecode file? Remember the last diagram, sir. Remember the last diagram. For execution,
Bytecode.
which file we will give? Bytecode file, right? So what is the name of bytecode file? What is the name of bytecode file?
Class name.
Yes, here you have to give class name. Don't write dot class. Don't write dot class. Just write Java class name. Did you understand? Yes. So JVM, it will internally take by JIT. JIT will compile once again. It will pass it to interpreter. Interpreter will give it to processor. Then it will execute the program. Did you understand? Did you guys understood? This is the typical structure
Yes,
of a Java program. Now you tell me, sir, what is this and what is this? What is this? And what is this? Tell me so. Tell me so. This is name of the source file. Okay, sir? This is what, sir? Name of the, please tell me, name of the source file. Am I right, sir? It is name of file. Sir, what is this then? This is name of the bytecode file. In other words, name of the class, because the name of the class, bytecode file name will be same, right? So here I will write name of the class or bytecode file. Hope it is here. Yes. Okay. Now tell me, so. Now tell me, sir. For compilation, which file we are giving? Please tell me, for compilation, which file we will give?
.java.
Source file. Source file or .java file. For execution, which file we will give?
Class file.
Class file or bytecode file or executable file. Correct, sir? Okay, now I will write the example. Now look at the example, sir. All of you people look at the example. Now you will recall your and understand why you are giving same name. I am writing a program here. Class A. What is the name of the class, sir? A. I am writing here public static void main. Then I will write a string array argument. You will write here, sir. String array arguments. Then you are writing like this. Yes. Okay. Now this is my source file. Okay, so okay. Now assume I am save this source file as, I'm going to save as test.java. Sir, first of all, is it correct? Is it correct? 100% correct. You can give any name to the source file. You can give any name to the class. So now I want to compile this. Can you tell me what is the command I will use? Java C. Source file. Source file. What is that? Test.java.
Test.java.
Correct, sir? Now this will check the syntaxes and everything. Everything is correct. It will generate the bytecode file. Can you tell me what is the name of bytecode file? Is it test.class or is it a.class? S.class or a.class? Yes, it is not a test.class. It is a.class. Fine. Next, I want to execute, sir. You will write Java. Give the bytecode file name. What is that? A. Correct, sir? Correct, no? These are the commands you will write. You use to compile and execute the program. Now I will write another program. I am going to write your style. I am going to write your style, sir. What is that? Same style. I'll do it. Now I will write demo. This is my source file. Then I am going to write save this with demo.java. This is what you have practiced in your college days, right? Correct, sir? Same class name, same file name. Now tell me, sir, what is the command you use for compilation? Java C demo.java. Sir, this is the source file. Sir, after compiling a source file, you will get the bytecode file. What will be the name of code file? Bytecode file name is demo.class. Here, many people did not even think, why are we getting demo.class? Most of you people thought demo.class is because the demo.java. Correct, no? I am getting demo.class. Why? Because the file name is demo.java, no? No, wrong answer. Demo.class is not because of demo.java. It is because the class name is demo. Not because of the source file name. It is because of the class name. Did you understood? Did you understood? Now I have to give this bytecode file Java demo. Did you guys understood? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes. 1 second, sir. I'll write this. I'll pull this little bit this side so that I'll get some space there. So here, I'll write it here. Now, can you tell me the commands once again, sir? Yes, Java C demo.java. This is a command we write, and then Java demo. This is what we have written. Now tell me, sir, what is this and what this is? This is source file. This is
Source file.
bytecode file. This is what file, sir? Bytecode file. Correct now? This is what file, sir? Source file. I'll write in short, sir. SF. SF stands for what? Source file. Sir, what about this? Bytecode file. I will write class file. I will write CF. Class file, or you can write, bytecode file or whatever. Fine, sir. Same thing here also. Sir, what is this test.java? SF. Source file. What is this A? Class file. Did you understood? Did you understood, so? Yes. What I have to give for compilation? Source file. What I have to give for execution? Bytecode file. Are you guys clear? Are you guys clear? Okay, now you tell me, sir, this program
Yes, sir.
also works fine. This program also works fine. But why did you practice the second one? Why we are practicing in our college days? We gave the same class name, same file name. What is the reason? Look at both of these two and tell me what is the reason.
To reduce confusion, sir.
Very simple. Just to make the compilation and execution process simple, you are using the same class name and same file name. Yes, sir. Look at the first one, sir. You are giving test for compilation, you're giving A for execution. So some confusion, right? Yes. To make it simple, to avoid confusion, let us give demo, so that compilation also happens with the same thing and execution also happens with the same thing. But you should understand which is the compilation here, which is the execution. What I am giving for compilation, what I am giving for execution. You should have the clarity. Did you understood? Did you understood? Okay, now can you guys tell me, sir, what is the command? Final conclusion for this. Final conclusion. Can you tell me what is the command I have used for compilation? For compilation, I will write Java C source file dot Java. Correct, sir? And sir, for execution, Java, yes,
Java class name.
bytecode file. Can I write bytecode file, sir?
Bytecode.
Just write bytecode file, or you can write class file, or you can write executable file. All are one at the same. This is what you people should remember. What is the command for compilation and what is the command for execution? Sir, is it easy? Easy, so? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Perfect, sir. Take this pic, then we will write simple, small code, sir. First, you take this pic, sir. If you want, you can take a pic. Anyway, you will get the recordings. You take this pic, and I will give you small examples. Done, guys? Done.
Done, sir.
Wonderful. Super. Okay. Super. Wonderful. Nice. Now, let me write one simple example. So, I'll write one simple example. Fine. Now, one more thing you have to understand here. I'll remove this. One more thing you have to understand. Sir, now let's assume I want to display Hello World program. I want to display Hello World program, sir. Sir, in C, what is that you use to print Hello World in monitor? What is that used? Please tell me. You used printf. Correct, no? Here we are written Hello World. This is what you have used in any language, sir. Printf. Sir, what about in C++, sir? We have used cout. Those are from CSIS, they may be remembering something. Correct, no? Here you will write hello world. Then you will write endl here. Correct? Sir, similarly, to print hello world in Java, we write something like system.out.println. What is it? We will discuss later, sir. We will discuss this later. Nothing to worry. Here we will write hello world. Is it clear? Is it understood? Yes. One more important thing you people know, Java is case sensitive language. What is it, sir? Java is what, sir? Case sensitive language, which means uppercase character, lowercase character are not same. Wherever you should give uppercase, you have to give uppercase. Wherever you should give lowercase, you have to give lowercase. So now, in the previous example, I had written string array arguments, correct, sir? That yes is uppercase. That yes, whatever I had written for string, right? This yes is uppercase. And similarly, when you write system.out.println, this yes is uppercase. Rest all are lowercase, sir. Yes, string is uppercase. Yes, sum is uppercase. Rest all are lowercase. Sir, how to remember this? How to remember which is uppercase, which is lowercase? How will you remember this? How to remember all these things? For this, you should know there is something called as camel casing. There is something called as what, sir? Camel casing. There is some rule while creating a class. There is some rule while creating a variable. There is some rule while creating a method or identifier. If you know that IT standards of creating a identifier, then it will become easy to remember. What is that, sir? We will discuss in keywords and identifiers. Okay, sir? Super. Let me write the first example, sir. I want to write my first example. First, I will write here, sir. I will execute and show later. Fine, sir? Now, I want to write my first example. Can I directly execute here, sir? Okay, fine. One more important thing I have to tell, sir. Whenever you guys practice, listen this very carefully. And whenever you guys practice in your laptops or desktop, initially you people will have a lot of josh. Correct, no? Hey, sir ne wo kiya, sir ne ye kiya, ware kya, chalo karenge. He will fatafat open one folder. He will open one folder here, sir. He will go new. Where is new? Yes. Create one folder in the desktop. Yes. Create one folder. What is that, sir? Java practice. Yes. Fatafat create one folder. Yes. Here you create a source file. Danadan practice here. Rap, practicing. Yes. Once you practice all the files and folders here, all the files are present here in this one. Then remember, where is your all files present? Where is your all files present? Please tell me. It is present in this. Now, where is Java practice folder present? Where Java practice folder present?
Desktop.
Java practice folder present in the desktop. Now tell me, sir, your system is working fine, your laptop is working fine. Every day you are switch off, you are switching on, you can see everything properly fine. One fine day, suddenly your system got some problem. Maybe it is not switching on. Maybe operating system corrupted, or maybe some somebody hacked my system. It can happen, right? Yes. When this happens, now obviously we will take it to a service station. Bhaiya thoda karke do na. Correct, no? Bhaiya please help me. You will take it to a service station, right? Yes. So when you take the entire laptop to a service guy, what he will do, hey, your operating system is corrupted, man, just format it. We will install the new operating system, everything will be fine. Then what he will do, what he will tell, with a lot of josh, he will tell, ha bhaiya kar do, please go ahead and format it, please go ahead and reinstall the entire operating system. Remember, when you reinstall the entire operating system, whatever is present in the desktop, everything will be gone. Whatever is present in the desktop, everything will be gone. Because you know why? Whatever is present in the desktop, which means it is present in C drive. It is present in which, sir? C drive. You all know that in the C drive, it is for operating system. C drive is for whom, sir? Operating system. Whenever you install any software, whenever you uninstall any software, all this installation, uninstallation, all this takes place in the C drive. Sir, all this desktop is also a part of C drive only, remember, sir. This entire C drive will be formatted. Remember this. This entire C drive will be formatted. Then if you ask that, bhaiya, where is my programs? That bhaiya will not help you. All Java programs are gone. Then what he will do? He will take both the hands, then he will tell, labo. Sir, all programs are gone. Sir, if something happened, it is gone. That is the reason. Do not practice anything in the desktop. Do not keep any, confidential information, important information in the desktop. Don't keep in the desktop, sir. It is not because somebody will see that. It is not because somebody will see that. It is because it is not safe. It is not safe. If something happens in my system, if I format my operating system, then desktop is gone, entire C drive is gone. Everything will be gone, sir. So then what to do? Which drive I have to choose? Choose other drives, no, other than C. If I open my computer here, can you see other drives here? How many you can see here, sir? Just have a look once. Go to this PC. Can you see 2 drives there? Can you see 2 drives? One is C, other one is what, sir? D. You might be having D drive, E drive, G drive, H drive. You can choose other drives, but do not choose the C drive. Fine. But since I have only one drive apart from C, let me go for D. I will make one proper folder structure here, sir. What is that? Just go for online class. Sir, now I have created one separate folder with your batch code. Just have a look once here. People who are not aware of what is your batch code, please make a note of it. Because when which batch you belongs to, at least you should be able to tell which batch you belongs to. This is your batch code, HCE26. Fine, sir. Now I will open this batch code. I have created a folder in this one. Open this, and now we are discussing basics. Now we are discussing what, sir? Basic. I'll create a folder called basics. Correct now? Under this basics, you practice all the basics. Sir, once the variables I start, then I'll pick another folder. I'll create a folder called variables. Here I'll write variables. Once variable is done, when I start control statements, I will create another folder with control statement. Operators, I'll create another folder with operators. Oops concept, I will create another folder with oops concept. Sir, when you segregate the programs like in a different folder, you can access the programs in a quicker manner whenever you want. Sir, I want to refer the methods program. You can refer quickly. I want to refer the operators program. You can refer quickly. Sir, I want to refer the oops program. You can refer the things quickly. Did you understood, sir? Don't dump everything into one folder, sir. Identifying will become difficult for you. Identifying will become difficult. Then you will waste so much time just to figure out one program. Where is it? Maine kiya tha, ek mahina pehle. Where is that? I don't know. I had done this 1 month back. Then I'm trying to search now. Where is it? Where is it? You will not be able to get it. Are you understanding? Yes, super. Now variables, let us remove this, sir, because I'm not doing any variables and all those things now. Let me go for basic. Go for basic. So this is the path. Just look at the path, sir. Create a path like this. D drive, online, HCE26, your batch code, and then basics. You also create, sir. Go to D drive, you create your batch code, Java. Under that Java, HCE26, under that basics. Create one proper folder structure. Under this, edit plus, the one which you have installed already, open this. Open the edit plus. Once you open the edit plus, you have to look at this drive, sir. All of you to look at this drive. You have to choose that correct directory. This is not your. Yes, you have to choose that. What is that? Go to D drive. Yes. Inside the D drive, go to online. Inside the online, go to E26. Inside this, basics. Is this the correct path? Is this the correct path, sir? Just to cross check once, you have to look at here. Select this. Under this, I want to create a new source file. Correct, sir? How to create a source file now? Very simple. Go to file. Go to file. New. New. Then which file I want to create? HTML file, C++ file, Java file, or which file? I want to create a Java file, sir. Just click on Java. You can see that template will come automatically. Don't you think this is what we had written? Correct, no? This is what we had written, right?
Yes, sir.
No. Yes? Okay. Now here, I am going to write the class name. I am going to write the class name as, say, for example, test. And one more important thing, sir. One more important thing. Whenever you give the class name, whenever you give the file name, make sure your first alphabet is always uppercase. Don't create a class like this. Sir, will it give me any error? It will not give any error, sir. It is a wrong convention. It is not the right convention to write. Okay, so it is against to the IT standards. It is not a correct way of writing a class. Compiler will not give any error, remember, but it is incorrect IT standard. Fine, sir. Make sure the first character is uppercase. Make sure the file name first character is uppercase. Fine. Okay, now I'm going to save this, and after you save, let me give, just have a look, sir, once. Look at your path once. Are you saving the right path or not? Is this the path where you created just now? This PC, D drive, online, HEC 26. Under this, I am saving it in basics folder. This is where I want my file to be in. So let's here, I am going to save it with program1. Look at P, sir, P is uppercase. Don't write .java, sir, because the save as type is already a .java. Just save it. This file. Can you see this? Yes, this is called source file. What do you call this, sir? This is called source. Right or wrong? Right or wrong? This is called what, sir? Source file. Superb. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Sir, now I want to compile. Now, can you please tell me, sir, what is the command I have to use for compilation? I will write Java. I will write what, sir? Java C. What is the source file name? Please tell me. Program1.
Program.
Correct, no? You will write program.java.
Java.
Sir, once you run this code, it will check all the syntaxes. If everything is correct, what will be the name of bytecode file? Please tell me what will be the name of bytecode file?
Test.
Test.
Look at the class once. Look at the class name once. Test. So you will get the bytecode file here. Test.class. Then now I want to execute it. Then write Java test. Is it clear? Did you understood? Everybody? Yes or no? Fine. So now I want to run these commands.
Yes.
Where I want to run all these commands from the command prompt. I want to run all these commands from where, sir? Command prompt. Now, sir, how to open the command prompt? How to open the command prompt, sir? Just click on Windows button. Just click on Windows button. Just type CMD. Just type what, sir? CMD. We'll get something command prompt. Getting? Can you see this? Can you see this command prompt? Just click on this. You will see one, kind of a black screen. Here I have changed the color. But when you open in your system, you will get it in the black. Yes? Okay. Now, can you please tell me right now I am in C drive. Look at this, sir. But where is my file present? My file is present in D drive. So first I want to go D drive. For that, I have to use the command D:. What is the command, sir? D:. Sir, suppose my file is in E drive, E:. Suppose my file is in F drive, F:. Suppose my file is in H drive, H:. Just use the drive name followed by that colon. Once you click enter, now you have a look in which drive you are in. In which drive you are in? You are in D drive now. Right or wrong? So from here, you have to get inside online. So I will write CD online. Just look at this, sir. Under online, inside online, I have to get inside HEC E26. Yes, under this batch code, now I am practicing basics. Now just have a look, sir, once. Is this the path where I have my source file? Is this where I have my source file? Please confirm, everyone. Yes, D drive online basics. Is this the path where I have my source file? Yes. So here I want to run that compilation command and run that execution command. Clear? Did you understood? Easy? Yes. Okay. Now what am I going to do now is just CLS for clearing. Clear this. Now you execute the commands of Java C source file name program1.java. Sir, if I hit enter now, compiler will come. It will take this file. It will check all the syntaxes. If everything is correct, it will generate the bytecode file, and that bytecode file name will be test.class. Observe here, sir. Right now, you don't have any file. Immediately, if I hit enter, automatically one file will be generated. Have a look once. Yes, yes, yes. What file you got it? What file you got it? So, what the file name?
Class files.
Yes. Look at the
Class
file
file.
name, sir. Very good. Class file. Observe the file name, sir. It is not program1.class. It is not program1.class. It is test.class because the class name was test. Did you understand? Did you guys understood? So yes. Okay. Now, can you please tell me, sir? Can I open and check this, sir? If you want, you can open, sir. You will understand what it is. Just look at this. Open in A+. See whether you are able to understand anything. Look at this once. Only Rajinikanth can understand this. You cannot understand, sir. Only Rajinikanth. If you are a Rajinikanth, you will understand this. Correct, sir? This is the file which only JVM can understand, not human being. You cannot understand. You cannot understand. It is only JVM understandable file. Is it clear, sir? Fine. Super. Now, sir, can I say my compilation process is done? Please confirm. Can I say my compilation process is over?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I got the bytecode file.
Yes,
No?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Once I get the bytecode file, the job of compiler is over. Next, I want to run this. Yes, please run, sir. Who is stopping you? Java. Call the JVM. Java. Then, which file I have to give? Bytecode file. What is the name? Test. Clear? Just hit enter. You can see the output there. Can you see the output, sir? Hello world. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Did you guys understood, so? Please respond, everyone. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
now I want to create another source file. What I have to do, sir? Go to the source editor. Yes. And here I am going to go to file, new, and then Java. Select this. Automatically you will get this template. Follow your college style. Same class name, same file name. Let me give this as program. Let me give it as program number 2. So program number, what is the class name, sir? Program. Copy this, save it with the same name, that is program 2. I am following your style. Class name, file name, both are same. But I don't want to display hello. I want to display welcome to Java classes. Save it. So Control S. I am using Control S for saving. Sir, now I want to compile. Open the command prompt. Sir, I am already in the right path. Correct? Just you need to clear this. Yes. Okay. Just come here and check once. Now, can you see the source file program2.java? Yes. You guys can see, right? Yes. Okay. Yes, now I want to compile this. Can you tell me command for compilation? Java C program2.java. Correct? Okay. What will be the bytecode file name which will be generated here? Please tell me. What would be the bytecode file name? Yes. Why program.class? Why the name of the file is program2.class? Because of the class name, not because of the file name, because of the class name. Just look at the bytecode file name. So have a look at the bytecode file name once. Come on. Yes, you can. Come on, do it. Oh, you got it now. Can you see that? It is already highlighted. Program2.class. Can you see that? Yes. Now compilation is successfully done. Now I will write program 2. Run this. Can you see, sir? What is the output? Welcome to Java classes. Perfect. Done. Did you guys understood? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Please respond something. So, you guys understood?
Yes.
Yes,
sir.
That's all. Now, I want each one of you These two programs you people should practice. So one by giving different class name, different file name. Another one by giving same class name, same file name. Sir, after this, how can we show, sir? Very simple. I am going to create something like, or I have already created something like Google Classroom. You guys know that? You guys know the Google? Yes? One user. Just have a look here. Google Classroom.
Yes, sir.
Yes. In the Google Classroom, I am going to create a separate classroom for your batch. Just wait for a minute. I'll just show you this. Yes. Manage teaching, learning, and everything. Here it is. Google Classroom. So I'm going to share the link, and you all people should join this batch code using one code. One code you will get. I'll just show you that code as well. Just wait for a minute. Yeah. Can you see this here, sir? There is already one batch code called 20. There is already one more batch called 22. There is already one more batch called 21. All this is not your batch code. Your batch code is different. What is the batch code, sir? What is the batch code? I'm going to create a new, create a class. I am going to create a class, continue. Okay, class name. What is the class name, sir? Core Java. Yes, section, all these things, subjects, Java. Let me write Core Java only. Okay, sir. Room, anything is fine. Room 1, 2, 3, 4, room 4. Create. I'm going to create a Core Java classroom for you guys with your batch code. You will get one code now. Just observe this code. Can you see this code, sir? Can you see this code, all of you? Yes? Okay.
Yes,
what
sir.
I'm going to do now is just wait for a minute. What am I going to do now is just 1 second. Web. All that you need to do now is you have to join the classroom using the code. Just a minute. Going on. This is the reason it is very oh super. Okay, wonderful. Now I am going to write this link, and here I'm going to tell you guys, come on guys, come fast. Oh my goodness. Next, very true. Everything. I guess maybe after the class I'll send you this. I will send you this code to you people. Okay, you people should join this this particular classroom, and you have to upload all your practiced program here, and I'm going to verify it. I'm going to verify it, and you all people should upload here. Okay, sir. And see here, sir. Once you join, I can see the people here who are all joined. I can see here. Fine. And you just go there, upload the assignment. You will get upload assignment, and you can upload it. So I want you people to upload the source file. Please do not upload the screenshot. Sir, see the output. I don't want your output, sir. I want your source code. I want to see how you have written. You're getting my point? Everybody? Yes or no? Yeah, I think
Yes, sir.
I
Yes, sir.
code. 1 second. Here I'll write join this classroom. So this is the classroom that you're supposed to join with this batch code. Not batch code, actually, this code. When you tell join the class, it will ask you for the code. Use this code. Use this code. Perfect. Super. This is what you people. I think I have sent you in the the WhatsApp group. Use that link, and immediately you people should ask you for a code, and use that code, join that classroom. And today only you have to practice this and upload the assignment today. Perfect. So done. So from tomorrow, let me practice some different. What is print, println, \n, \t? What is all these things? We will discuss slowly all these things. Then so that's it for today. And I want you people to join and submit the assignments there. Fine. Any questions, sir? Before I wind up, any questions anybody has? Anybody has any questions?
So like which are
What's the assignment for today, sir?
Assignments for today is 1 second. 1 second. Here I'm going to write classwork. Create assignment. I'm going to give you assignment. So just look at it. Yes. Basic. Title, compilation and execution. Yes. First one, practice. Compilation and execution. Practice compilation and execution by giving by using commands. I hope you understand this question, sir. By using commands. Second one, practice both. It's damn slow. Practice both by giving same class name and file name. Same class name and file name and different class name file. Hope you understand this. So yes. So I am going to assign, because
sir.
none of you people are there here. Actually, none of people have joined. All the students. I'm going to assign to all the students. And once you people join, you will be able to see the assignment, compilation, execution. I think I have done it. Add a topic. Got it. Super. Can you see this, sir? This is the assignment. Once you join, you'll be able to see all those things. Super. Yes. Done, guys. Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
Sir, I'm not able to see the
Yes.
classwork, sir.
What you are not able to see?
Classwork.
Class
I have
you-
already joined.
You already joined. 1 second. Just a minute. Hold on. See, I'm not able to see you. At least I should see here, right? Once you join, I should be able to see. Yeah, I can see the students there. Yeah. I think all people joined, right? 6 students have joined here. Danish, Pritinder, Dhanush, Dilok, Pulkit. See, this is how I can see the names, sir. Whoever is joining, I'll get all these names. Fine. And I am going to assign the names. None of you are able to see the assignment? Just go to the classwork and check.
See, sir.
Sir,
Yeah,
I
now
can
I-
see the
Yeah, I can
assignment.
I think you will be able to see. If you do classwork, you will be able to see. Yes, sir? Done?
Like
Yes, sir.
class not found is showing here.
What is that? What is that, ma?
Class not found.
Class not found. Now, can somebody guide him?
Use
Yeah, sir.
Can somebody guide?
Actually, I
Call,
know, sir, but
Manish, call me.
Do one thing. Do one thing. First, do some.
Bro, you might have typed that code in wrong
Better
way.
to copy paste. Better you do copy paste. Okay, done. If
Okay,
anybody
I'll
is
just
facing the problem,
click the-
people will help you. Don't worry. Fine, guys. That's all. So we'll stop it here. We'll continue from tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.